Hello there, this is Jay from Jay Cad. I make AutoCAD tutorials for interior designers and architects. In this video, I will show you how to add a CAD blocks library to your own library in AutoCAD. And I will be using this collection of blocks that you can get from jcad.com, the store page. I will leave a link in the description if you'd like to get it. If not, you can use your own library if you have one. All right, and I'm gonna go now to an empty drawing that I opened earlier. All right. And then from here on the right side of the interface, you will see that we have multiple tabs over here. We have the layers tab. That's usually what's open by default on AutoCAD. And then next to it, there's the reference manager. And then the last one over here is the blocks tab pretty much. And then once you click on that and you look under it, there are several icons. Usually the default is this one, which is showing you the current blocks in the drawing. But this is an empty drawing, so there's no blocks. What you need to do is to actually click on the last icon on the far right side, here where it says block libraries. So I'm going to click on it right now. And then from here, you will see that we have multiple blocks that are visible here. And right under it, if you click on here, you will see that there's a list of libraries that actually come with AutoCAD built in that you can use immediately in your project. And then from the bottom of it, from all the way on the bottom, you see that there's a button to manage libraries. So we're going to click on that. Once you click on that, we will get this new window. And then from here, what you want to do is click on the plus sign on the bottom left side. Okay. And then here it will create a new library. I'm going to call this one Jay Cad collection. Okay. So now we created the library. Now we need to add blocks to this library. So now we will click on the plus sign on the right side. And then from here, from your computer, what you need to do is find the CAD file that has the blocks pretty much. And then I'm going to hit there on my end to this one. And then I'm going to choose the collection that I showed you earlier. And I'm going to hit open. Okay, and then AutoCAD will ask you, like, is this drawing a one block or does it contain multiple blocks? So we're going to choose that it contains multiple blocks because we want it to load pretty much everything that's inside it. So we will choose that. And now you will see we will get a preview of everything that's in there. And I think it's still loading on my end. Here we go. Now it's available. Now I can look at it. Right, so now all of these blocks are loaded in the Jay Cad collections library. So I will close this one from here. And then from here, you will, when you click on the list to see the available libraries, you will see the new one that you added. In my case, I added Jay Cad collection. And then from here, I see all the blocks that are available in this library. And then what I can do, I can simply right click on one of them and choose insert in drawing. Or what I can do is just grab and drop pretty much inside the drawing or the project. And now it's available to use. And that was it.